I ran into this last week, here's what fixed it for me. Reporting suspicious activity on your American Express account is crucial for your financial safety. Here's a straightforward guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your American Express account by visiting the official website or using the mobile app. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. Step 2. Navigate to Account Services. Once logged in, look for the Account Services or Account Management section. This is where you can find options related to your account security. Step 3. Report suspicious activity. In the Account Services section, find the option to report suspicious activity. Click on it to start the reporting process. Step 4. Provide details. Fill out the form with all necessary details about the suspicious activity. Be as specific as possible, including transaction dates and amounts. Step 5. Submit your report. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Remember, if you notice any unauthorized charges, act quickly to protect your account. It's better to be safe than sorry. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to customer service. Happy banking!